Introducing the Rollei 35 AF, a blast from the past that combines classic design with modern innovation. Rollei has long been synonymous with high-quality, precision-made cameras, and now they've taken their iconic 35mm compact camera to the next level with advanced autofocus technology. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or someone looking for a stylish yet functional camera, the Rollei 35 AF brings the best of both worlds. With its compact size and easy-to-use controls, this little powerhouse is designed to fit in your pocket and capture life's moments with unmatched quality. The original Rollei 35 was renowned for its portability and performance, but now, with the introduction of autofocus, the Rollei 35 AF sets a new standard for compact cameras. No more manual focusing. Just point, shoot, and let the camera handle the rest. Despite its small size, the Rollei 35 AF offers full manual control for those who want to fine-tune their shots. With easy access to ISO, aperture, and shutter speed settings, this camera gives photographers the flexibility to get creative. But the standout feature is, of course, its autofocus system. The camera quickly locks onto your subject, ensuring that you get sharp, well-focused shots every time, even in fast-paced or low-light situations. The autofocus is not only fast, but precise, making it perfect for capturing action shots, candid moments, or even street photography where spontaneity is key. And portability. It doesn't get any better than this. Weighing in at just under 400 grams, the Rollei 35 AF is incredibly light, yet durable enough to handle life's adventures. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just capturing everyday moments, this camera will be your perfect companion. What makes the Rollei 35 AF even more special is its hybrid functionality. It offers both the joy of film photography with its classic 35mm format. Low-light performance has also been improved with a new high-quality lens that allows more light in, perfect for night photography or indoor shots without needing a flash. From golden hour to city nightlife, the Rollei 35 AF adapts to your shooting environment effortlessly. The Rollei 35 AF also includes a burst mode, allowing you to capture multiple frames per second, ideal for action photography or creating dynamic photo series. The Rollei 35 AF is more than just a camera. It's a bridge between the classic era of photography and the modern age of convenience. Compact, reliable, and designed for photographers of all levels, this little camera packs a big punch in both performance and style. So whether you're looking to relive the nostalgia of film photography or embrace the ease of autofocus, the Rollei 35 AF is your perfect companion. Capture life's moments with precision, style, and a touch of the timeless. Available now, it's time to take your photography to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and to stay updated with the latest in photography gear. See you in the next video.